Welcome back to our YouTube channel. Drawing a school bag can spark a child's creativity and imagination. It helps in developing fine motor skills as they focus on details like zippers and pockets. Understanding shapes and sizes while drawing a school bag improves spatial awareness. Kids learn to observe and replicate real world objects, honing their observational skills. Drawing a school bag encourages patience and attention to detail, fostering concentration. The activity serves as a fun way for kids to express themselves visually. It promotes hand eye coordination, a crucial skill for various tasks. Experimenting with different colors while drawing a school bag sparks exploration. It boosts self esteem as children see their artistic creations taking shape. Drawing a school bag provides an opportunity for kids to learn about organization. The process enhances problem solving abilities as they figure out how to represent a bag. It's a medium for developing pre-writing skills through controlled hand movements. Creating various school bag drawings introduces the concept of diversity and uniqueness. Kids can share their drawings, fostering social interaction and communication. Drawing a school bag can be a calming and therapeutic activity for the children. It lays the foundation for understanding basic shapes and their combinations. Children learn how about colors, improving their vocabulary and descriptive skills. The activity promotes. Thank you so much for watching this video.